Alright, welcome again. And this video is purely for beginners. Purely for beginners. For someone that is just starting forex, this chart this is what we call your chart here. Your chart sometimes it can look very confusing. You don't know what to do. Let me delete all these things that are on my chart. So as a beginner, all these things can look very confusing. You don't know what it is. You feel like it's very difficult. Normally, when I was started trading too, or when I was still learning years back, all these things was looking so strange. I said for something that I might not even learn or not even interested in because it looks so complicated. But I'm telling you that it's not complicated. It's actually easy if you learn it from the right person or learn it from the scratch. So this is what you call charts. And your chart is made up of candlesticks. If you look at this thing, you see red and green. Red and green. You see red and green. So all this red and green stuff, they're called candlesticks. They're called candlesticks because this is how your candle looks like. So they call it candlesticks. So there are different candles. You have your red candle, you have your green candle, you have your big candle, your large candle, you have small candle. So this chart in forex you can actually it's not only candlesticks. Sometimes it's what we call a line chart, but I prefer using candlesticks and we are going to start with candlesticks. So let me zoom in to the candle. So these are your candles. Like I said, green and red. So look at this candle. From this point, because what we call your candle, your the body of the candle, and what we call the wick of the candle, or the shadow of the candle. So this side here, from this beginning here to this end, all those both parts, they are called the body of the candle. Then if you look at the candle, you see all this line. It's like this is a line below the candle, and there's a line above the candle. They're called wick or shadow. There's some candle that does not have wick, they don't have shadow. Like you can look at this candle, that is small body, but look at the wick, wick is large. Look at this candle, this is a very large candle, and also look at the wick too. That's a big, a long wick. Look at this one too. That's a long wick. And look at candle that don't have any wick. Look at this candle. That's a long wick below and no wick above, and that's a small body. So all these things are candle. There's some candle like that don't have any wick at all. There's some candle that don't have any wick at all. So let me explain what this wick is. This wick is like the footstep of a candle because this candle has gotten to this point. Just like you walking on the sand. You know if you're walking on the sand and you look back, you see your footstep at the back of you. If you move to the front, then come back, you still see your footstep ahead. I don't know if you understand. Let me explain again. If you are walking on the sand, if you look behind, you see your footstep. If you move to the front and shift back a little bit, you see the footstep of where you're coming from. So that is basically what this week is. You know, your chart it moves and down, up and down. Like now, the candle was down here before. This one closed, other candle formed. It went up, kept going up, it kept going up. It came down. This one, it came down to this point. In fact, it has even gotten down to this point because this is a footstep that's gotten down to this point before. Now let me look at another candle. Let me take another candle for example. Like now look at this candle. This is the latest candle here. This candle, if you want to check the history, it has come down to this point before. It has gotten down to this point and it has gone to this point before too. This is the highest event too. But right now it came down and it closed here. It closed here. So and in forex what we call time frames, like now this is your 4 hours time frame. We have 1 hour, You have 30 minutes, you have 5 minutes, you have 1 minute, a different kind of time frames. So all these candle now, because I'm in my 4 hours time frame, all these candle it take 4 hours to form. They take 4 hours to form. Like they form after 4 hours. Like now, this candle now, see it has formed. After 4 hours, another one will form. The next 4 hours, another one will form again. So at the ending of each 4 hours, it closes and another 4 hours, other candle forms. If you are using your 1 minute, your candle form. If you are in the 1 minute time frame, your candle form every one minute. That's how you can understand it. Candle forms every one minute. If you are using 5 minute time frame, candle forms every five minutes. So this is just what you need to know about the chart. And you know that your chart goes up and down. Market does not just this chart shows the movement of market. Market don't just move up, it goes up and down, up and down. Like now market is coming down. Yeah. See, it came down, yeah. It went up a little bit. Came down, yeah. It went up a little bit. Came down just like it's a zigzag form. Just like yes, zigzag form. So that's what that's something you should know again. And also, maybe in the next video I'm going to talk about how to analyze because as a trader you must be able to analyze the charts, predict where the market is going to. Because okay, before I get there, like this red candle, it means the market is selling. If you see a green candle, it means the market is buying. If the market is buying, you see a green candle. So what does buy means? It means market is going up. The market is going down, it means it's selling. So other word for buy in the forex market here, we call it's called bullish. They tell you that the market is going in a bullish direction. It means the market is buying. It means the market is going up. And also they tell you the market is going long. It means the market is going up. They say the market is going short. It means the market is going down. They tell you the market is bearish. It means the market is going down. So bearish stands for sell. Bullish stands for up. Neutral stands for buy. Long also stands for buy. Short stands for sell. So that's it. So I don't want this video to be too long because in the next video I'll be doing um I'll talking more. I'll proceed to the next chapter.